It's time to meet the next big thing in the world of washing machines. Presenting the all-new LG front-load washing machine and top-load washing machine with artificial intelligence direct drive technology. Gone are the days when you had to struggle with the segregation of clothes and then deciding on the right washing pattern for each of them. LG washing machines make your life convenient as they wash different types of clothes together with the help of their advanced AIDD technology that automatically detects the fabric type and weight of your clothes. And with its intelligent functioning, the machine itself chooses the optimal washing pattern from over 20,000 preloaded wash patterns, giving you more fabric care and convenience. LG's inverter DD motor in front-load washing machine comes with no belt and no pulley, therefore making less noise and less vibrations. Similarly, the top-load drum offers a highly unique stainless steel pulsator that gives you a peaceful washing experience. The direct drive technology also offers you 6 unique motions, leading to a better wash. Also, the front-load washing machine offers steam technology, which is the apt method to fight allergens while removing wrinkles from your clothes. The top-load washing machine now offers another breakthrough in the world of washing machines. The all-new inbuilt heater steam technology is designed to provide a hygienic and thorough washing experience. When you said you wanted more washing space, we decided to get you a bigger capacity drum, but in the same space. With LG ThinQ, you can now remotely control and monitor your washing machine for utmost convenience. At LG, we believe in constant innovation to deliver modern and chic designs that not only add convenience and technology to your lives, but also become a stunning addition to your stylish home. LG washing machines. Go easy, go intelligent.